Hey guys, this is Felix. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove the tail light on a 2012 Ford Focus. Let me show you guys what you have to do. It's super simple. Just open the trunk. You need to remove this little cover that's here. And there's two plastic screws that you have to remove. They're not too tight, they're pretty easy to unscrew. So one is this one right here, and the other one you can see it right here. So just turn to the left. Okay, that's one. Now the other one. Again, turn to the left. And that's it. It's only two of them. And now that's it. You can just pull these out and it comes right out. And from here you can replace the lights. So alright guys, this was just a quick video to show you how to replace the tail lights on a 2012 and up Ford Focus. Please, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks guys. Peace.